because he's not been having a great match so far. Not at all.
Make some noise for Prince, ladies and gentlemen.
Prince is fighting back. Still on the second rope. What does he have for Alex right now? Oh, a chop to the chest. Alex is right back on top rope.
This is a suplex. He's planning a suplex right here from the top rope.
Super blow! That has got to hurt.
That's not done. Going in for. Oh my word! That's gonna finish him. 1, 2. That was just. I thought it was 3 counts.
So close, another